Hi. I know I haven't been very active with making videos with the new year and the holidays and all, but I hope everybody had a great new year and holidays and all that. But first video of the new year, we have VIXX. Their single with Okdal. Woo! Y.BIRD from Jellyfish Island with VIXX and Okdal. Or Okdal. I love them. And this single is really cute. It's so adorable. It's all looks like a watercolor painting, and it's small. It's like the size of what would a jewel case would be. And it only comes with yeah, 2 songs and an instrumental, which for a single, that's not bad. We open it up. Oh, it's so nice and pretty. Yeah. Oh, glare. Yeah. And then over here, it's like, wow. Yeah. And you get a little lyric fold-out thingy. That's simple and cute. I like it. Woohoo! And basically, this is just, oh yeah, and credits. Whoa, credits! The video is adorable too. Get back in there. And yeah, since it's VIXX, I had to buy it because I have to buy everything of VIXX. I have to get all of I have to have their whole discography because I'm a crazy person. So, that's why. But, thank you guys for watching my video. I know it's really short, but it's a single. Sorry. Bye.